What's up, you guys? Haha. Coming back at you. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe down below. I know a problem with a lot of people that they had with their subscribing and everything. You actually have to, it may not have the subscribe button below. If you're on, I think like maybe Chrome or something, it won't have it. But if you're on the app, and I think you have to sign in. You have to actually create a YouTube. You can just hook it up to your Gmail. That's most people that's hooked up to their phone. So yeah, if you can just do that, that'd be awesome. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all all the brushes that I have. Just these 4 right now. I just put in an order on Amazon Prime. So a lot of stuff should be coming Saturday. Pretty excited about that. So, but until then, this is what I have. So I've already done my foundation, my contour, highlight, you know, all that, and my blush and my eyebrows. I'm gonna start with this palette of mine, which y'all seen before. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna get my biggest one, and I'm gonna go in with the. Let's just start with a light shade, just a transition. Okay. And yes, I have primed my eyebrows. I have primed my eyelids already. I primed my eyelids with my concealer. Just to give the eyeshadow something to stick to. And it makes it pop a little bit more. It's gonna be like a brown smoky eye. So, but I'm going to have the pink undertone, so I'm going to do this pink. Have some more eyeshadow coming too. I'm pretty excited about that. The pink on there. I'm just putting it all over the top of my eyelid. Just blend it in. Okay. Now I'm going to go with a slightly darker shade. I'm not going to go for the fully dark. That's actually not my dark that I'm going to have. I also have this palette, which is going to be what I use for most of the smoke. But I'm just going to kind of get this going with a pinkish look. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown. It's not the darkest shade, but I'm going to go in with this one. Just to give it a little bit more of a dark look. I'm not going to go all the way across my eye with this one. Just kind of halfway. Be very careful. Always start from the outside of your eye and work your way in. Make sure that's blended in good. Okay. Now I'm going to go for the darkest shade. I don't have a black right now. I don't have a black, so I'm just going to... I'm actually not going to use this for that. This is it's kind of coarse, but not really. Not too bad, you know? So I'm going to go... dip it in the dark and put it on my eyelid where I want the smoky eye to sit on. I'm gonna wait to blend it when I get both of them like I want them. Okay. Now I'm going to take the bigger one again and just blend it out. Okay, now that that's blended like I need it to be, here comes the fun part. I'm going to take the concealer that I have with the smallest brush that I have. Okay. I'm just going to run in there and just like that. I'm going to put some concealer on the end of it. I'm going to take it over my eyelid. Now the other one. Okay, now that I got the concealer like I want on my top lid, I'm going to take this same palette, and I have, it's like a really gold metallic-y one right here. And I'm gonna put it on top of the concealer. Not really brush it on there, just see me just pat it. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. Okay, now that I did my eyeliner, do the one on bottom. Don't mind my boyfriend, he's just chilling in the background. I can't edit you out like that.
You're not posting that video.
Yeah, I am.
Lord knows I'm a lucky man. God's given me a pretty fair woman.
Now I'm going to go in with my mascara. Okay, and that is the look that I'm going for, with a smoky eye, little gold accent on my eyelid. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, remember to subscribe down below. Share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, you guys.